Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to change your EU driving license for a UK license. Please take note that this guide applies if you're a resident of Great Britain, that is England, Wales and Scotland, but there is a different process for Northern Ireland. The first thing you need to do is to get the application form, so you can download or order an application form D1 from gov.uk website. We will be dropping the website link in the description below. You can also collect the D1 form from most post offices. The next step is to complete the application form. So fill out the D1 form accurately, providing all necessary personal details. You'll also need to gather the required documents: a completed D1 application form, your current EU driving license, a valid passport or national identity card, a passport-size colored photograph, a certified translation of your current license if it's not in English, and a payment of £43. This could be a cheque or postal order. After all of this are satisfied, make sure to submit your application. So you'll need to send the completed application form, supporting documents, and fee to the address on the form. This address will be provided on the D1 form. It is advisable to send your documents via recorded delivery. Now, the DVLA typically takes around 3 weeks to process applications. Once your application is approved, your new UK driving license will be mailed to you. Check all the details on the license to make sure that there are no errors. After all of this is done, you need to also remember that the DVLA will send your original license to the foreign issuing authorities. We're hoping this guide will help you in having success in changing your EU driving license for your UK license.